bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my third episode of my series that I'm doing this month, Oh Hallows Month. Today we're going to be doing a bloody eyeliner. So to start off this look, I'm going to be priming my eyes, a step that I never skip. This is the MAC 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer. And then I am going to be taking the Master of Fright eyeshadow palette that I got in Hot Topic, and I'm going to be setting my eyelids with cyclones and kind of just blinking out my eyelids. This was a super nice color and very brightening, so I will be using this palette. Now I'm taking the Painstick Palette by MAC Cosmetics, which I got at the MAC Pro store, and I'm taking the red paint stick and I'm drawing on an eyeliner. So just kind of follow like what I'm doing here, because what I'm doing is I'm kind of curving, making like little curves, like hills in my eyeliner, so that it can kind of make it look more bloody, I guess, like how blood would, because blood wouldn't be a straight line. And then I'm extending out that wing right here. I'm also doing one drip towards the bottom as well. And after that, I'm going to take a black eyeliner by NYX and I'm going to outline it so it can be more prominent. Now I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina palette, the red shade, and I'm just setting my red eyeliner. And then I'm taking the same black eyeliner and drawing these 4 little lines to kind of make it look like more realistic, I guess, like it's moving. And then I'm drawing a wing liner on the other side, and just kind of follow my steps what I'm doing here. So I draw my wing liner how I normally would, just to give me like a guideline. Now I'm going to be taking this special effects cream that I got at NYX, and it's in silver, and I'm going to be drawing it how you see here. I'm leaving some black line on the top, so I'm taking this with a very tiny angled brush and I'm drawing, it kind of looks like a double wing liner, you can say, but this is going to be the knife part. Now I don't know what happened, but I did draw 2 little drips where my blood eyeliner is, right on the bottom, as you can see here. You're going to see a close-up later. As you can see, I am going in with a MAC pencil, a Pro pencil, and I'm lining both of my eyes on the bottom and also where the eyeliner is. The knife eyeliner, I kind of put a little bit of that pencil like right on the bottom so it can look like there's blood on the knife. Now we're going to be moving on to lips. I'm using the Carli Bybel and Il Makiage collection, lip collection, the red one that she did. So I'm using the lip liner and the red lipstick. Putting on some Halloween earrings and a barrette in my hair, and this look is completely complete. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified of when I post new videos, and I hope my little Bembas have a blessed day. Happy Halloween!